what if I told you you only need 5 products to create a full face of makeup? Let me show you. Hi guys, I'm Ritika and you're watching me on BeBeautiful. Today I'm challenging myself to create a makeup look using just 5 products. I'll also be showing you how to get most out of each product because sometimes less really is more. Starting with the Lakme Vitamin C Skin Tint in Warm Beige, I'm using a light layer of this all over the face to even out my skin tone. This has the natural, slightly dewy finish that works really well for minimal makeup looks. Even though it's a light layer of product, I'm using a brush to maximize the coverage. To set everything, I'm using the Lakme Rouge Broom Compact. I'm taking it first on a fluffy brush and sweeping it all over the face. To ensure my under eyes are properly set, I'm taking the powder on a puff and pressing it into the skin. Now for my favorite multitasker, the Lakme Higher Beach Edit Blush. Of course, I'm using it on my cheeks, but I'm also blending it a little towards my eyelids to tie the whole look together. You can also add it like an eyeshadow if you like. Using the same tone on your cheeks and your eyes instantly makes the makeup feel cohesive, and it's one of my favorite minimalist makeup tricks. I love cream blush for this technique. Mascara is definitely the main character for me. For any minimal makeup look, I feel like I look bald without 10 coats of mascara, so I like to take my time and really layer this. I'm using the Lakme Iconic Mascara to define my lashes and instantly make my eyes look more awake. Sometimes mascara is all you need to make your entire face look finished. Last but definitely not least, the lips. I'm using the L18 lip gloss in Brownie Babe. I love a glossy lip because it instantly makes the whole look feel fresh and effortless. Minimalist makeup is not about using less because you have to. It's about using the makeup intentionally and making the products work harder for you. If you choose products that work well and multitask, you can create so many different makeup looks while still saving time, money, and space in your makeup bag. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to BeBeautiful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.